Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video, we are going to do a very interesting thing. Today, I will show you how to send thousands of WhatsApp messages to your friend without actually typing them all. I will show you how to write a small 10 to 15 lines of code which will do this. So, without wasting any time, let's start. First, you need to download Chrome driver. I have provided a link in the description to download Chrome driver and then unzip the file wherever you want. I am going to code in PyCharm. You can use any IDE you want or any text editor you want. First, we need to install Selenium. For those who don't have any idea about Selenium, Selenium is a framework which is used to automate web browsers. If even you are using PyCharm, then follow me. For others, you will have to install Selenium using the pip command. So now we are ready to code. First, let's import what we have downloaded. We also need to import keys, which is a module which consists of important keys like return key, shift key, and etc. We'll also import time, which we are going to use later in the program. Now go to the folder where you had unzipped the Chrome driver and just copy its path. Now in the program create a variable named path and paste the path you had copied just now as its value. Now we need to give our code access for Chrome to open WhatsApp. To do that, we will create a variable named bot and give access to Chrome using WebDriver. Here we need to pass the variable path so that it can access that file. Next step, create variable name with value equal to the person's name you want to send a message. Now we need our bot to open WhatsApp web. So pass URL of WhatsApp web to this function. Now let's run this and check. Scan this QR code with WhatsApp. In settings of a WhatsApp, you will find option for WhatsApp web. Open it and scan this QR code. Okay, everything seems perfect till now. Let's move ahead. As you guys saw, there is a QR code when we try to open WhatsApp in WhatsApp web. But a program will not wait until we scan that code. So we need to make a program wait, and for that we will use the function time.sleep. So let's make a code wait for 10 seconds. I think 10 seconds are enough to scan that code. Now next, we need our program to find a friend's contact and open it. We will use function named find element by xpath to do this. For those who don't know what xpath is, I have given a link in description. Do check it out. After a program has found that person, we also need to click it. So we will use .click function to do this. So let's run what we have done till now. Till now everything is perfect. Now we need our code to find the message box so that it can type our message. We will access the message box using its class name. To find out its class name, we will inspect the web page and here it is. Just copy its class name and pass it to our function. Now we have to type a message in the box. So we will use message box dot send keys and the bracket type your own message. And now to send this message we have to press the enter key, and to automate that we will use the keys module we have imported. And now we are almost ready. Let's run this. Perfect. Everything was according to our code. Now, if you want to send like 1,000 messages, we have to just add a loop. Now, if you run this again, you can see continuously messages are getting typed, and this will continue until the last message is sent. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the red button. Thank you.